Hello everyone, thank you for completing the previous lab. Now we are on the next lab and welcome everyone to this next video where we are going to do getting started with Vertex AI, Gemini API and Python SDK. Alright, so I'm going to start this lab now. Make sure you watch the previous videos correctly. Now close any previous tabs that you have related to the previous labs, and then I'm going to paste the password. I'm just going to log in first. Alright, now that I'm logged in, let's get to setup and requirements if we have any. No. We are going to go to the separate notebook file, okay? So we are going to go to task 1 first, which is going to Vertex AI, workbench, user managed notebooks. It's taking some time to load, that's okay. And after that, manage notebooks. It should be in user managed. 1 second. Okay, it's in instances. Okay, so click open Jupyter Lab, wait for it to load. So it's taking a lot of time for me to load, but that's okay. It's loaded now, right? So we'll just wait. Okay, so after it's loaded, you would see just one file here into Gemini Python. Okay, so here are two things that we need to do first. So we have a project ID and we have a location. So I'm going to copy the project ID first, and I'm going to go down and then paste it here, and then in the region part I'm going to copy the region correctly and carefully paste it. Carefully paste it here. Alright, all good now. Now what we'll have to do is we'll have to run the cells one by one. So we're going to first run the first cell, wait for it to download anything it is downloading. It's still working, so okay, it's executed now. Now we are going to use this one. It's going to give us a kernel restarting one different notification. Then run every cell. It should work all fine. So we are just going to wait for all of it to run. Okay, so I got an error, something like this. It was working, but I'm going to run it again. See, so if you can get an error like this, run it again, it should work. So we're going to run every cell after that because it stopped the running process. We're just going to wait. Alright, so I've got an error again. Now if I run this, let's see what I get. See, it's working now. So it happens sometimes that if you are running everything at once, sometimes you might get an error, but it's not every time. Okay, so just make sure you run it a few times and then you would get everything. See, everything is completed now. Okay, now if I go back to this one, I already have the first one done for me, done as in checked, and then I'm going to run every other check my progress button and I should be getting it. Just wait for it to show up 100 out of 100 and then click end lab. See, under 4 minutes. Click submit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Meet you in the next video.